Good afternoon po, ma'am. Ano pong concern nila, ma'am?
Pag-groom ko siya,
Opo.
puppy cut,
Okay,
pero iklian ko paikli ng konti.
Good afternoon po, ma'am. Ano pong concern nila, ma'am?
Pag-groom ko siya,
Opo.
puppy cut,
Okay,
pero iklian ko paikli ng konti.
Okay.
Tapos, yung dito niya,
Poodle pit po,
poodle
ma'am.
cut din siya. No? Tapos
Sige.
yung butoy-toy niya.
Sige
No?
po, ma'am. Dito na lang po, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay naman po yung gupit ni Bolt, ma'am.
Oo, pogi na naman.
Double check na lang po, ma'am.
Pogi na, boss? Pogi na?
Excuse me po, ma'am. Ano po bali, ano po ng gupit niya po?
Kung magsasuggest ka, anong maganda?
Ano po, sa kanya po kasi, ma'am, matid na po siya. May ball na po. Summer cut.
Summer cut?
Yeah, dito na lang.
Huwag pa ka isip.
Exit. Opo, sir.
Para girly pa rin siya tignan, no? Para pretty pa rin siya. Kasi minsan mukha siya yung, yun, hindi ko alam kung pwede sabihin din. Yung bandang sa maselan niya na part, wag masyadong
I-shave po.
Oo, i-shave. Kasi
Okay.
tapos nangangati,
opo, sige.
nasusugat sa kanya.
Sige po. Ma'am, okay naman po yung gupit ni Boke, ma'am.
Oo, okay naman. Malikot talaga kasi siya. Hindi
Opo.
siya sanay sa ano.
Bali, yung sinabi niyo po, ma'am, na hindi ko po masyadong isi-shave po yung ano niya kasi kinakati po niya.
Oo,
Ayan po,
kinaka-
hindi ko na po siya
Okay, okay.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Okay, baka naihi siya.
POV, you're at Golden Paws on a rainy day. As soon as you step out of your car, one of our friendly staff is already there to assist you, rain or shine. You'll be greeted with warm smiles and the kind of welcome that makes you feel right at home. We want you to feel comfy and cozy here. While you wait, enjoy a cup of our free hot coffee. It's just our little way of saying you're family. At Golden Paws, your furry friend is in the best hands. From bathing and drying to full grooming and pampering, we've got it all. Want to do a little shopping while your pet gets groomed? We have a variety of pet products in store. You can even watch the grooming process if you'd like. We also have a caring and compassionate vet on site. If your pet needs a checkup or tests, our clinic is fully equipped, and our vet will take the time to explain everything clearly and kindly. Golden Paws also has a cozy lounge area where you can relax while waiting. Yes, we believe a pet clinic should smell as good as it feels. Our mission is to be the friendliest, most compassionate team, always empathetic, always aiming to give your pets the highest quality care. Whether it's our hotel, grooming services, or vet care, we're here to love your pets like you do.
Hi guys, a golden afternoon. For today's video, we're going to pick up Alex and Lexi for their grooming session. Here in Golden Post, we offer home service and also pick up and drop off for your convenience. So before anything else, guys, kailangan mo na ma-check ni Doc yung ating alaga to make sure na safe yung gagawin na pag-groom sa kanya. And dito na-check niya na si Alex ay meron siyang fungal infection and i-call namin agad yung owner para masabihan kung ano yung procedure na i-recommend ni Doc. So dito na-recommend ni Doc ang medicated bath. Here in Golden Paws, guys, we make sure yung groomer, yung assistant, yung kahera, ay may love talaga sa mga pets, no? Bawat isa sa kanila. And we know na you value that kasi we want you to feel na safe sila dito. That's one of the things that we are really proud of sa Golden Paws. And yan, si Sir is repeated client na yan. So, we really appreciate you, sir, and thank you so much sa trust niyo po sa amin. At sa susunod muli, salamat!